360X5, which I'm actually recording these videos with. And I wanted some extra batteries for it. So I grabbed the X360X5 battery pack kit specifically for the X5. There's a different battery for the X4. Anyway, the batteries come in these plastic shell containers, and there is micro SD slot in the lid on both of them. I don't know that I want to store them in this. This is the charger itself. Kind of open it up, the satisfying click, right? It does have the micro SD slots here as well if you would like. And then we have two batteries that just kind of slot right in there. And you can see it's a nice little satisfying click. Now it does have a USB Type-C. It comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. Just plug it in, charge it however you like. You have two notification lights. Consult the user manual for how specifically it works, but it will take a few minutes to charge them up both fully. And then I just kind of both leave them in here. As far as like a charging case, I don't think that this I don't believe provides any charge itself, like a third charge, right? Two batteries plus a third. I don't think that's the case. I think it's just the dock, but it's a nice, safe way to keep your batteries clean and dry. It's not waterproof or anything like that, but it can keep them safe in your bag, you know, whatever you're carrying. But it's got a really nice design to it, and these are not cheap if you do want to end up using these plastic battery cases for that. Yeah. Now we got to test to see how long these third-party batteries last and how well this charger works whenever they are drained to zero. Another video for that.